Welcome to tonight's open house at the Tech Center. Here we're able to explore our 28 different programs that we have, all CTE focused, all housed on our campuses here in Adrian, Michigan.
Tech Center is open to everybody in the county for junior and senior students. It is a program that can not only get you certifications and a high school diploma, but it can also create some dual enrollment opportunities for students. Some students walk out with a college 2-year degree as well, ready to hit the ground running with jobs and skills right out of the gate.
The exciting part about the marketing and entrepreneurship program is the Spot. It's our school-based store. It is 100% student ran, and they do all the inventory, all the ordering, customer service, money management, everything from start to finish. Another exciting thing about our program is DECA, our CTSO. We get to have travel opportunities. It's a business competition. So it's a really great opportunity for leadership skills and to get you out of your comfort zone. So there's just a lot of opportunities to build on teamwork, collaboration, critical thinking, communication, and to kind of develop your skills as a leader.
Well, I'm here tonight because I love FFA. What I really like about the Wednesday night class is that you get to experience each individual class here at the Tech Center. If they have any interest in agriculture or horticulture, send them right away over here so they can get more information and they have more job opportunities that they might enjoy more.
I'm ending it. That was hard.
What's exciting about this class is you got a lot of cool opportunities to make a lot of custom parts and things like that. We try not to limit you, and the sky's the limit, you know. It's however hard you want to work and what you want to put into it. That's the only thing that stops you in this class. There's a lot of people that come in this class not knowing anything about what machining is, not even thinking that they want to do it, and then they're like, man, you know, there's no place I'd rather be for my second year. Look into it, and you know, maybe you think it's not for you, but it's a really fun class. I know a lot of people that didn't originally want to take this class, but they end up coming back for their second year anyways.
Dr. Kratz went, okay, we'll have the snake. And now he's here.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun here. We have instructors who come directly from the field, from industry we call them, and so they come with hands-on experience and they know exactly what to do to prepare students to go out and actually start working immediately. Look into us, get to know us. The Tech Center is just a great place to go.
If you want to find out more about us and you couldn't come tonight, there you'll see information about our individual programs, and you'll be able to sign up and apply for our programs starting January 2nd. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening.